everyone and welcome back to my show!
Aray, sakit!
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you one of the beautiful cave pool here in Anda. I hope you like it. Sige, jumpa. Sige. Ayan. So this is it. So ito na guys. Malawak siya. It is very wide. This is nice than what we have. Like I think we have 4 cave pool here in Anda, but for me this is a nice one because it is very accessible. You can see. That is my friend. It's very beautiful. So this is the place. It is not so clear because it's not clear. So Barbies. This is one of the member of the Sister Akas Barbies.
Yes, hello, good morning. Thank you.
Yeah, so I have a question.
Yes.
If you are going to rate this cave pool from 1 to 10, so how would you rate and why?
If I given a chance to rate, if I given a chance to rate this one, I will rate this cave pool, the Tibaw Cave Pool right there. I will rate this perfectly 10. Yes, because it's really nice, it's really cozy, and then it's really safe to jump there. Actually, it's low tide, and then the composition of the water there is brackish. Yes, brackish. It means the
What is
combination.
brackish?
It means the brackish is the combination of the salt water and sa kanilang tab ang water. Combined together, it's brackish water. And tomorrow is another day. Tomorrow pass assignment. Pass assignment tomorrow. Guys,
Ready? Ilan siya? Hello guys, we're going to teach the water to swim. Ano? We are going to try and swim there if it is cold or not. If
not that cold.
If not, then nothing. I-pause ba?
Sige, cool.
Sige, go. Okay, pakita na.
Yes, what can you say about the Tibaw Cave? So, hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. I welcome to Tibaw. Sa Tibaw? Cave Pool. Tibaw Cave Pool? Yes. Tibaw. Balik Tibaw Cave Pool located at Bakang, Anda Bohol. So guys, here is the Tibaw. You know, this Tibaw is very, I don't know, because I didn't experience to swim there because I don't have any underwear. So my both cousin, they're gonna be trying to swim if that pool is cold or not, or it's just only a warm, my gosh.
So,
Oh my gosh, there's a lot of Kiki here, and there's an ABCDEFG, and I didn't like ABCDEFG. Come on. Oh, look at that boy. Oh my gosh, it's daddy. I said that daddy. Lucu kali Kiki. Di makikito mahal to. Kana na i-zoom
Ayan
na
po,
siya.
ito pong isa ay
Lami
napaka-health
ko,
niya,
ay, nang ibis kay ko,
napakasarap niya, maraming abs, nasa baba din, ayan o.
So, mami, ready na.
cleavage.
So, dito po yan, mga ano,
Ready na mong mama nga mo fly. Mo fly pa doon sa dagat.
kahit saan.
Dali.
Give her.
Nakaon na na.
Oh,
Ayan,
yes.
mga ka-150. Wow,
Wali mo
sarap
gi-
niya, di ba?
Di,
Sarap.
Anagan ox.
So, how was it, mami? How was it, mami? Cold or what?
Anak ma.
Pretty good, eh. Actually, actually, guys, the water is brackish, so it composed of salt and salt water and kanang tabang nga water.
Notes dali oh, pwede ni notes mo.
Muhuma dyan na ma.
Imagine na.
Shuri.
Basing.
Pretty, oy. So this is Tibaw Cave Pool. As you can see, wow, this is really good. Yes, prior to the issue about the cleanliness.
Go.
Prior to the issue of the cleanliness, I rate this one is from the cleanliness. I will rate this into 6 only because they did not maintain the cleanliness of the surroundings. I strictly advise to the local unit. Yes,
Private naman eh.
I would strictly sabi ni pag English oy. I would strictly advise the local beach goers and cave goers to maintain cleanliness or mise en place. Because that is really functionable and very well maintained and indestructible rules and regulations, because it is very most functional way to make the cleanliness of the surroundings, and it is really important to dignify and well perspective and prosperity. Yes.
You wanna come here? PM is the K.
Ma, drum back ma.
The water is very salty because the salty is water. Come back. Video? Oh, GG. Hey! Uy, mas mahal dito rin. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. If you don't subscribe yet, please unsubscribe. Inside and outside, vice versa. As you see, my background is very rocky because the rocky road is very rampant in their society. It is much appreciated if you gonna wait until the end of time, because the time is gold and the gold is silver and the silver is copper. So this is my friend. he has a copper gold hair craft maintenance. Her color because the color is the hair, and then he put plenty of oxidizing iron to make it gold. So that's it. Pose.
Yes, ma. Ma, what are you still doing?
I'm doing fine in the fine Philippines.
Ma, I would like to ask you a question that is relevant to our society. The question is, how will you define the brackish water in this area of society?
The brackish water in this area is very magnificent and alluring because the alluring is the flickering of the water is very silver lining in this area. It is very much important that we should preserve this area because this area is very lovable and chauffable.
Go.
This water is brought to you by Brackish. This water is brought to you by Cobra Energy Drink. Kung gusto ka mo inom, pagpalit og imo. Kana. Okay na? So in this segment, welcome back to my channel, and in this segment, I am going to teach you, since we are here, I'm going to teach you how to swim. So the first one is, we call it butterfly kisses. You know butterfly kisses is because when you like this, and like that, and like this, and like that, it's very flickering the water and going to your esophagus, and you just blow it with the magnificent saliva. So I will show you. This is going to the water because the water is coming out. This one. And then the second one is, I'm going to teach you, it's very difficult. The next one is like that, a crabbing. I call this crabbing because the crab is swimming like this. So like this. So when you like that, of course you have to like this your face so that you will not be sinking in the water anymore. Stop that. So ayan, I hope that you are enjoying my video, and don't forget to subscribe to those who don't subscribe yet. And I want to say thank you to all the people who are always watching my videos all over the world, and shout out to Salvador Golosino, Jimmy Bruno, thank you so much, and Wilby, thank you so much. My friends, Jidjo, Marley Hangkan from Germany, nga ang gwapaha, Dylan Adams, Norms TV from Korea, or Boss TV, Mariel Slade, maraming salamat sa inyo, and thank you. Bye-bye. I want to say thank you also to the Barbie's Mistress for helping me videoing myself and everyone. So I want to say thank you.
Thank you for still watching of the video lyricsing of Jomar Singh. Yes.
Yes, hello mga ka-Jomar. Yes. Thank you so much for watching, and then don't forget to visit his YouTube channel. It's Jomar De Lasa, and so wapa ka subscribe ya, please visit Jomar De Lasa. Click the link, click the notification bell para always mo ma-update sa iyahang mga new videos, and subscribe, don't forget. And also the Sister Rakas Barbie.
Yes guys, if the name of their channel is Sisterakas Barbie. So I hope that you will subscribe also. And what can you say about our trip here?
I can say that it is really nice to government of here because the new place here is very accommodating and member because of the hesitation of the people around the world, and it's nice to swimming in the pool because we don't have pool in our house. Yes.
What could I say?
What will you say? You cannot say? You say nothing at all?
What about?
Just say thank you.
Thank you for the followers of Chomer, subscriber of Sister Rakas Barbie. So please always support them, no matter what happened, no matter what some circumstances face them. So you need to support them very much in order them to become a successful business women and men someday.
Ayan guys, so thank you, and thank you. Bye-bye.